Yo, what's up boys, it's Spice. And you guys hear all about how to meditate and stuff. I'm gonna teach you guys how to actually meditate, and also I'm gonna do it in Target as well, cause like, you know, why the fuck not? What's the most randomest aisle to like meditate at, bro? What? Basically, all you're gonna do is sit down, close your eyes, and just start focusing on your breath. I say like you have like random thoughts of like Pokemon or Gengar. You kind of acknowledge it and you just kind of like go back to your breath. And once you feel like good, you're like, you don't have to meditate for long. Usually I meditate until like 5 to 10 minutes. You feel me? Like I don't really do that much. I just do it until like my mind's clear. For the boy Gengar you're here. If you can, meditate outside, bro. That shit can help you a lot. Focus is the difference between a man and a boy. Like a lot of people have dreams and stuff. Like the only thing that's stopping a lot of people is focus. People don't got focus. Feel me? That's what they don't got. And meditation actually helps you on that. The meditation it helps your mind in so many ways, bro. It's like the one exercise. It's like, you know, how like if you do legs and if you don't do squats, you're kind of a bitch, right? And if you want to improve your mental health and you don't meditate, you're kind of like a bitch. Be honest with you. Be honest.
Nah, these are so much better. Where the out though? No free promo for Frozen.
What is that, bro? What is that? Batista. Okay, but also like the benefits of meditation. Like, bro, if you want to control your mind, meditate. Like legit here, the simplest answer for success in any realm is if you can control your mind, you're good. Because most people can't control their mind. And there's like one thing that plagues a lot of people is instant gratification. Most people, they just scroll on their phones. They want something good right now. But the thing is that if you want to become successful in anything that you do, you need to delay gratification. You need to put in work right now to help your future self. And see, a lot of people don't do that no more. Going to the gym, for example, a lot of people don't actually do that. Like you see a bunch on TikTok and stuff. A lot of people don't actually go to the gym. And a lot of people are not actually on self-improvement. But it seemed like on TikTok and social media, a bunch of people are. But no, if you go to the gym and you do self-improvement, you're better than majority of people. So if you add meditation, because most people don't exercise their mind. Now, my dad at a young age, he told me like, yo, Nishant, you exercise everything from here down. Never exercise this. And I was like, yeah, you're right. Let's exercise the mind. The thing is, it's like, look, if you want to stop depression, if you want to stop anxiety, if you want to stop these things, these mental illnesses, train your mind. Think of it in the way of like a mental health immune system. Meditation helps you on that. Like you can meditate of like just sitting down and just, you know, like here, like fuck it, just sitting down. Like sitting down and just like going here. Like you can meditate anywhere you want. Like just doing that. And just taking that time and just to focus on your breath, bro. You have time to meditate. Don't be a dumbass and be like, oh, I don't have time to meditate. Well, you got time to meditate. Don't play with me, man. Bro, you can meditate anywhere you want. Now, granted, do you have to meditate in Target? No, you don't have to. You don't have to do what I'm doing right now and look like a fool. But I do this for you guys. Make sure you guys are entertained. Because most of you guys click this because you saw the title. Meditating in Target. But if it's like, if you saw the title of like, oh, how to meditate, most of you guys won't click it. Because I know you guys. That's a Spice gang, you feel me? Dude, there's so many people who are looking weird at me. But like, that's how it is. Meditation allows you to control your mind. You know, if you want to control, like, you know, a lot of you guys want to take the red pill, right? I'm like your Morpheus right now. I'm telling you, like, hey, let's get out of the matrix. Let's train our mind. Okay, meditate. And then when you meditate, also pair it up with journaling or reading or doing that. But start with meditation. Start with just like closing your eyes and focusing on your breath. And that's it. Deep breaths in and out. In and out. And now you're gonna see me go meditate in some random places. Wahoo! Oh, fuck it. Okay, so look, you can meditate anywhere you want. I'm doing it like Jason, show them.
Yeah, the main aisle.
This is the main aisle. It's the most busiest aisle. But yeah, I'm just gonna like meditate right here. This is so dumb, bro. Okay, dude, fuck it, we ball. No, bro. Fuck it, we ball.
Said you can meditate anywhere.
Yeah, unless you like to be calm.
No, but okay, meditation, honestly, bro, it's hard at first. Go 30 seconds. Go like as long as you can. It's really hard at first, but just do it every day. And people who say like, dude, I've meditated for like a week. No, I haven't cleared up my mind. Well, no shit. You haven't trained your mind. You haven't done anything. Okay? Do it. It's a habit, bro. It's like how you don't expect to be jacked like in one workout. Just treat it the same way, bro, as meditation. Do it every day and your mind's gonna get better. It's very like linear. It's like you show up every day and you do it every day. Your mind's gonna be clear. Because then like you have those conversations with people where people are not present. You can't hold eye contact. Can you hold eye contact? Be honest with me. Like, can you hold eye contact? Because like, if you meditate and stuff like that, you're increasing your presence, and your presence helps your eye contact. And I'm gonna keep a buck with you, bro. If you want to get more girls, dude, eye contact is. Dude, even Jason agrees. Yo, eye contact's like, that's the cool thing about this. You don't have to be sitting crisscross to meditate. You can meditate in this position. You can just close your eyes, you're like, and you can meditate in that position. See, I'm just focusing on my breath, and that's what I was doing. I was just making sure I have a clear mind. Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic. How's your day been?
Great. Just got my hair done.
Ooh, you look good. Have a beautiful day today. See, why is it the elderly people who are nice, but no? Bro, I like gilfs. No, not gilfs. Yeah.
Yeah, meditate.
Why do I look light skinned though?
The freshly shaven look, you know?
You know, meditate for a little bit, you know? Sometimes you gotta meditate for 30 seconds. I should want to try this on though.
Yes, sir.
I think I gotta get manscaped, bro. I should want to try this on. That's high key the reason. But this fit go hard.
They do.
Oh my god, dude, pull a spice era?
Full of spice area. Oh god.
Yeah, I know, we can. But like, I got like a homie, she's like a girl. I'm just gonna help. Hold on.
Okay.
Oh, dude, that's Inception. Welcome. Sensational. Oh, okay. Cool.